Hi guys, Frankie from Frankie Tech here. Just a quick video I wanted to do. Happy Easter to all you guys. And there's another special thing that's happening today. Today is the 30th anniversary of this right here, the Nintendo Game Boy. Now, I had one of these back in the day and I loved it. And a couple years back, I picked one up again. I wanted to just do a quick few minute video here just showing this Game Boy to you guys. And amazing to think that when this came out in 1989, how much of an impact it had in the gaming market. But not just that, in portable gaming, it was a game changer. And so just looking at the design of this thing, this is a chunky console. Look at the sides here. It's actually, this version that I got is in pretty good condition. But let me show you on the sides. We have the volume. There is this external connector, which I have no idea what it is. I completely forgot. And there's the on-off switch. This is where you'd put your games. And as you can see, this is 1989 model DMG-01. This thing is so cool. And the buttons still work pretty well, I would say, overall. Now, does this thing still work as advertised? I have 4 double A's in here. And interesting, you know, the Game Boy wasn't my first actual console. I actually had the original Nintendo Entertainment System before that, and that was an awesome console. I loved it, but this one I actually didn't have, but I had a friend who would let me play, and I think I borrowed it over the summer one time. I played one game that I loved so much, and I have it right here, Super Mario Land. This was such a great game when it came out. Now, obviously, I have the classic, which is Tetris. And so I'm going to go ahead and just put these games in, and we're going to play just a quick second. Let's see if this still works. 1, 2, 3. And that happens. You see that? That happens. That means I need to take it out again, blow on the cartridge, and push it in harder. Let's see if it works this time. And there we go. Now, this was a black and white screen. There was no backlight, so you had to play this thing and avoid glare and just somehow, there's the music, somehow get into it. I'm just going to play 1 second of Tetris here. And look at that. This still plays. Let's get 1 Tetris there. Oh, yeah. Now, did any of you guys have a Game Boy back in the day? If you did, hit me up in the comments. And there you go. So let's take this one out and let me show you now Super Mario Land. This was my all-time favorite game, and I'm just going to play a little bit of this to show you guys. Now, in terms of, let's see, peripherals, you could actually get, there's a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack at the bottom. In terms of specs, I think this thing was pretty weak. I want to say it was probably a couple of megahertz, if any, maybe even kilohertz. But that didn't change the fact that Nintendo knew how to make really simple, awesome games. Their Game & Watch platform before that was really great. There it is, Super Mario Land. And to any of you guys who remember this, I'm going to try to get the glare here out of the way. And you can adjust the contrast on the side here. And to all you guys who are too young to remember this era of gaming, it was awesome. Let me turn on the top light here. Maybe that will help. Yeah, that helps a little bit, although now we have even more glare. It's amazing to think that this is how we played games on the go back in the day. But hey, look, it still works. I just died. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys this awesome Game Boy, and I really just say it as a salute to Game Boy and to Nintendo. Congratulations on the 30th anniversary of this awesome console. It was a game changer for me growing up, and hit me up in the comments if you thought it was a game changer for you. This was just a quick video that I wanted to share with you guys, but thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech, signing off. Oh, gotta love this music, man. Gotta love this music.